Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to uh, environmental studies and unit 1. This is one of the important topic, water conservation, okay, rainwater harvesting and watershed management. Out of these three, there may be chance of one long question or one short question relating to these topics. So in this video we are going to discuss these things. So water is one of the very essential necessity. Okay, some introduction we need to write relating to how water is important, like it is useful for all the human activities, and water is a natural resource of our earth and it is primary constituent. See, our earth is covered by 70% with the water itself, okay, more than 70%, but out of that 90% of water cannot be used for drinking purpose. Only 10% is there for drinking purpose. Okay, these are some important points which we need to stress. Okay, so everything, okay, everything on this earth, okay, need the water for their livelihood, right? So in the nature, different types of lives on earth, water is universal solvent and plays a important role. Like this 2-3 points you write. For various functions like cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning, okay, and drinking and other household commercial use, and it is commonly utilized for all the purposes. So like this some introduction we need to give, and later see, nearly 70 to 80% of earth surface is covered by the water, and of which 1 to 2% is pure water and appropriate for human usage, okay, not more than that. वाटर कंजर्वेशन रिफर्स, अभी वाटर कंजर्वेशन बोले तो क्या, वाटर कंजर्वेशन అంటే ఏంటిది, refers to specifically protection and preservation and regulation of the use of the water and its properties. Okay, what is water conservation means, how we need to protect the water and how we need to preserve and how we need to regulate it. Okay, and in order to mitigate the prevent and scarcity, okay, what, because water is a very essential thing on this earth, and we are in the scarcity of, because many of the human activities making water contaminated, so polluted, so that is why we need to preserve it for the purpose of our utilization. So like this we need to write some few points. Okay, therefore we should build awareness among our own friends, families, neighbors, community, etc. about water conservation. Like this we need to write some important points. Okay, as there is a saying, think globally, act locally. सर हम अकेले क्या कर सकते हैं, if each individual thinks I am singly can't do anything, it cannot be, but okay, क्या बोलते, एक एक से ही बूंद से समंदर बनता है, like that. okay, మన చిన్న చిన్న అడుగులే ఏమైపోతాయి, అందరు కలిసి చేస్తే అది పెద్ద హ్యూజ్ యాక్టివిటీ అయిపోతుంది. సో సింప్లీ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ కెన్ డూ, వీ నీడ్ టు డూ లోకల్లీ, ఇట్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఏ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఓవరాల్ ఆన్ ది గ్లోబల్ లెవెల్. So it is really an important to conserve the water because it protects the life on the planet. So how to preserve the water? Water को preserve करने के लिए क्या क्या methods है? This is what we need to tell. So methods for preservation of water. Okay. Several ways to conserve the water are available here. Few effective simple methods safeguarding the water. When not in use, maintain the tap closed. क्या करना? If we are not using, we need to close the taps. Test for holes in water supply pipes. जो water supply pipes रहते, somewhere some points there will be some holes and there from there it will be getting leakage. So we need to close those holes. For gardening and washing purposes, make sure the rain water is used. ఓకే, जो పీనే के पानी है वो पीने के लिए यूज़ करना है, మనం తాగే నీళ్ళు తాగడానికి వాడుకోవాలి. అండ్ ఫర్ గార్డెనింగ్ పర్పస్ అండ్ వాషింగ్ పర్పస్ we need to use the rain water. That would be better option. Always calculate how much water, okay, how many water buckets are lost in a day to try to minimize it. How much we are wasting if you count it. Okay, so you can imagine how much you can save. So when washing and cleaning clothes, utensils etc., do not use more water than required. जितना चाहिए उतना ही यूज़ करो. And one of the best technique used for water conservation is rain harvesting. Okay, rather than wasting it, there are distinct approaches used to conserve the rainwater. Okay, so water conservation, there are different methods. We will discuss those methods in detail. Okay. This is one of the method, rain water harvesting, and how to harvest the rainwater. Next, why do we harvest the rainwater? Advantages, limitations, and watershed management. So there are few different methods for conservation of water. Okay, method to preserve we have just discussed. Water conservation methods. Okay, so we will discuss those methods in the next video, specifically rainwater harvesting and watershed management. Okay, this is how. Just give 10 to 15 minutes time for learning EVS subject also in your daily plan. Thank you one and all for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe so that it can be used by others also. Okay, सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. जय हिंद.